Hello students, today we are going to see new point unitary methods from the lesson ratio and proportion. Students, unitary method want to learn a method that makes your shopping experience better by doing the correct transaction and not get cheated on the price at any time. Here we have unitary method to help you out. So let's see what is unitary method. Unitary method is a method where we find the value of a single unit from the value of multiple units and the value of multiple units from the value of a single unit. With the help of example, I will explain this unitary method. Look at the picture. Ria went to an ice cream parlor and bought 5 ice cream. She paid rupees 125 to the shopkeeper. Next day, she again goes to same parlor and order 3 ice cream. So, how much will she be paying for 3 ice cream? Let's see solution of that example. We will use steps for solving this example. Sometimes this may seem hard to calculate. However, we can solve this problem using the unitary method. Steps. First, let us make a note of the information we have. So, what we have information? There are 5 ice creams and 5 ice creams cost is rupees 125. First step, we have find the cost of one ice cream. So let's find the cost of one ice cream. In order to do that, divide the total cost of ice creams by the total number of ice cream. The cost of one ice cream is equal to total cost of ice creams divided by total number of ice cream. So how many cost of total ice cream? Yes, 125 and total number of ice cream 5. So let's divide. We get as answer 25. Therefore, the cost of one ice cream is 25 rupees. Step 2. To find the cost of 3 ice cream, multiply the cost of 1 ice cream with the number of ice creams. Cost of 3 ice cream is equal to cost of 1 ice cream multiply by number of ice cream. अगर आप एक आइसक्रीम की कॉस्ट ढूंढते हो तो आप कितने भी आइसक्रीम की कॉस्ट निकाल सकते हो. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड cost of 3 ice cream. 25 multiplied by 3 we get as answer 75. So finally we have the cost of 3 ice cream. So how many rupees? Yes, rupees 75. In unitary method, the value of many things is given and we need to either find the value of more or less thing. Let's see one trick. In order to do that, we must find the value of one things by division and then find the value of more or less things by multiplication. Okay? Means find the cost of one article from that of many by division and then find the cost of many articles from that of one by multiplication. This method of solving a problem is called the unitary method. So this is the real definition of unitary method. Let's solve practice set number 29. I will give answer but you should try to solve. Okay.